Okay, so let's look at how we create a work order from the phone. So this is my phone. I've got properties here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this picture of my property. I'm going to go to create work order. We're going to do plus or minus the same type of work order we previously did. Now we're going to go to maintenance request. I'm going to click on maintenance request. I'm going to do cleanup services. I'm going to do doggy station. And like before, I'm going to drop the pin. I'm going to open that up, review it. I'm going to assign that to Michael Cohen Samsung tablet. And we'll save that. I will go ahead now and add an additional. Now remember, all my assignments and the tasks that I've assigned, they appear on the top in the shopping cart area, right up here. My inventory, where I'm drawing from to create the tasks, that is going to be in the bottom with the tools. I'm going to go to lawn maintenance. I'm going to say that there is an area that needs to be seasonal weed and feed this grass area. I'm going to do it like that, and I'm going to just create a little bit of a triangle. As far as I'm concerned, that's good enough. If I want to add pictures to any of these, I can do it. I can add a photo here. That's something that can be done. I can add it from my recent photos that I took, right? So I can add it from something that I've done before. Let's do that. Let's do that. Finish. Perfect. I can assign this. If I want to change who it's assigned to, I can do that. It immediately does that. After you take a picture, it always asks about assignment. As far as this right here, feed, weed, grass areas, I'm going to review that. I'm going to assign this. I'm not going to assign it to me, though. I'm going to assign it to Mukesh's iPad. I'm going to hit the save button, and I'm done. Once I'm done, I hit the thumbs up. And what that's going to do is it's going to split this work order by line items, by tasks, right? One task has been assigned to me, the doggy station. The other task has been assigned to Mukesh. So when I go to the back end of the system here, I'm going to see that as well. Meaning when I go to work orders, I'm going to see in work orders, there's a pending work order on my property. I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to see here this pending work order. There we go. I'm going to see who it's been assigned to. Now on my phone, right here, let's open it up. Let's see if this is, yep, perfect. So I can see all the ones that have been assigned to me. I can see what's been assigned to Mukesh. I can go in, I can reassign it if I want. Regardless, I'm going to go here and I'm going to say, I'm going to mark both of these as completed. Actually, I'm just going to mark Mukesh's as completed. I'm going to say yes, this line item has been completed. Now the work order is still going to be pending because there's still one line item that has not been completed. It's moved to in progress. I apologize. It's moved to status of in progress. And here on the phone, I will go ahead and complete this particular work order. And we'll hit the smiley face. Let's complete this. And perfect. It's been completed. Easy schmeezy. Now when I go in here, I see both of these have been done. All's well that ends well. In the system itself, if I refresh, which is awesome, I now have before and after on mine, and I can submit this to the client and let them know that this is a completed work order.